In my opening task, I used a lot of different camera shoots and camera movements. As an example, I used close-up and extreme close-up shots, mid shoot, long shoot. I played with high angle and low angle shots in the scene on the stairs. So I wanted to make a shooting effect, therefore I tried to do muzzle flash, but I didn't know how to do this. Therefore, I watched a lot of tutorials in YouTube, which helped me to understand how I can do it. But most of them told like the best way of doing it is just to download the picture from YouTube or so on, and it's in Final Cut Pro and so on. So when I've done it, I understood that it's quite boring and it looks it looks not realistic. Therefore, I decided to do something different. Finally, I found a really good tutorial which told me how to make muzzle flash by myself in the same program, Final Cut Pro. So I spent like an hour studying how to make it. But then there was no problem to do it for me. I did like approximately 5 or 7 different muzzle flashes to make it more realistic. Then I faced with a different problem. Unfortunately, my computer was broken, and I didn't expect this, so I didn't save it on a hard drive or wherever else. So I was like in shock, and what can I do? Hopefully, I found the way how to get all the information out of the computer and how to get the clip which I have already almost finished. Then I understood by doing when you do your film, you must save all information on a hard drive, at least one hard drive, and to make sure that it is safe, because it's really bad feeling when you understand that you just waste time. And so sound, I used non-diegetic sound. It was also shooting effects, all effects. I used parallel sound to show the audience all feelings. And finally, planning. In the beginning of coursework, in the beginning of the year, my teacher told me that I should plan a lot. To be honest, I didn't realize it. I didn't realize that planning is so important. However, when I started filming, I understood that planning is one of the most important parts. Because when you film, it becomes like chaos. You don't understand what exactly you should film, where you should, from which point you should film. To understand all these aspects, you should plan, and plan a lot, and plan really careful. So planning is really important part.